YouTube, what it do? It's Lil Petty coming back at you guys with another stock market episode. And in today's episode, we are going to give you an update on the small account challenge, the options premium selling business trading account. So let's go over the activities real quick. And we went ahead and we closed out the Nflx trade. So we ended up selling and getting the credit back that we received. We sold the credit for $300 on the Iron Condor. Now, when I set that play up, I didn't say this in the last video, but when I set this play up, I bought the 407.5, or I sold the 407.5, then I bought the leg of the put first. And then when the stock was rising up, I ended up buying or selling the call side of the Iron Condor. And then that's what made the credit of the $300. So today we ended up closing out the trade for we gave back $91. So we collected $200 in premium. We got that money back plus the money that we invested. So that's kind of how that's how you take advantage of the options premium. So if we come over here and look at the options that we sold this 407.5, and if you look right here, this is what the option premium did. Because this is the chart of the option right here. We'll zoom this out real quick. So when we sold these contracts were trading. Let me even blow it up for you guys. Alright, so when we sold these contracts, now as you can see, this is what the contract did today. It opened up at $3 and now it's trading at 44 cents. And that's basically how you take advantage of selling premium. Because as we know, when options don't land in the money, they go worthless. So even if you look at these 370s, you can see that just a few days ago these are trading at $3. Now they're trading for not even 4 cents. So the ones that we ended up selling out today was these 405s. We bought these back, and then we had the 445s and the 450s, and I ended up closing this out a little early, but I just wanted to protect the account, and I already made $200 profit, so it's kind of just readjusting the account. And now as you can see, my cash balance is back up here to 438. And also what we did in the account, we took the small loss on the JPM, we closed that out for a loss, and we closed out the Wells Fargo today. But we went around and turned around and bought another Wells Fargo put credit spread. We sold. We came to May 15th. We wanted to get a little bit more time so we can collect more premium. We sold the 265, the 26.5, and then we bought the 26, and we bought 2 of them. And the credit that we received was, we received a credit of $44 or $46, and it cost us about $80 to put on the trade. So that's basically the update of the account right now. We're still holding the NVIDIA play, and with the Nflx profit, this kind of gives us a buffer to hold the NVIDIA play possibly till tomorrow, and we'll be able to collect. Hopefully, we'll be able to collect more of this premium because there's still about $90 on the table, and we're up about 20% on the position with the open P&L of $20. So let's go ahead and let's look at the chart of Nflx real quick so I can show you guys what I was looking at. And let's talk about some other plays that we're possibly looking into because earnings is around the corner. But as you can see today, I wanted to get out, but literally at the open, it started just ripping up. And this spread, this contract right here that we got a credit for 91, it shot up to like 150, and I was like, nah, I'm just gonna hold it. And I waited and I seen that it got pretty close too, because basically we start giving money back once it starts getting above 445. Now, if you look at Netflix right now, it's basically it's on a bullish move. Now, if it breaks above this high of day, yeah, that's basically going to confirm that it's going to continue up. So what I ended up doing, I literally got out on this candle right here in this 5-minute candle. So we had the run up. Whoops. Let me close some of this shit out. So we had the run up, and then it kind of pulled back. I seen the bearish cross. It's like, all right, I'm just gonna take my profits because I don't want to give none of this. Is the small account challenge, and you want to take your profits while they're there. If not, you know, and that was a big position. So I was like, okay, we're gonna cut that out, get our cash back, and then we can go ahead and get back to sticking to basically the basics. And this right here, this Nvidia play, this has a credit left about $100. So and the cash balance right now will be at 788. So if we did let this Nvidia play expire, we'll collect that extra $100. So by me selling the Netflix, that gives me time and gives me a cushion with my buying power back to $438. I can actually hold through this Nvidia play, and if we lose, then the account is not really down too much. But if we win, then the account will be up, you know, a little bit more than about $700. So that's kind of the outlook that I have. The next possible trades that we're gonna be setting up, I'm gonna have to do some research, probably look for some setups. But like I said, I do like this Wells Fargo play, and I'm gonna show you guys why I like this Wells Fargo play. I'm going to show you guys why I like this Wells Fargo play. We'll go to the 1 year, 1 day chart, and you can see we're kind of holding this as a support. We did just get a bearish cross, so I would look out. I'm going to actually go back to the weekly, look at a weekly chart. So it's kind of in this bottomish zone, which I'm comfortable of putting on a small risk because I like this trade right here, and I want to be a part of it. So if we do get a pop above anywhere, if we just basically hold this trend line, we should be good on this trade. And I gave myself about 22 days to collect the premium. So that's an update of the account. That's what's going on. The next trade, we're gonna be waiting for some more earnings plays, and I think Monday we have some big companies reporting, or it might be that following Tuesday. Like I know 3M, PepsiCo. So this is a day where we'll probably set up some plays for 3M, PepsiCo, Caterpillar, something around here. We're gonna get set up, try to sell some premium, and that's basically what we have on an update for the account. So as of right now, the account is actually up, and we're doing good. And the matter is just making sure you manage your risk and take opportunities if you see the opportunity is available. But the main thing is managing your risk. You do not want to put on trades that you're not willing to lose, or if you're not going to cut out. And that's the reason why I cut out of these JPMs. Let's talk about that. I cut out the JPMs and the Wells Fargo because they were in the money, and the risk of getting an assigned, you don't want to get assigned when you're selling credit spreads. That's going to actually you're going to have to pay the broker to assign that, and that's going to cost like $30. So you don't want to get assigned. You'd rather just sell for a loss, take some of your money back, and look at the next trade. And that's why I only put on a small amount of risk, a small received credit. And just like this Wells Fargo, I'm trying to receive a small credit. So that's justifying my trades, and that's probably going to do it for this video. I want to keep this video short. I'm going to give you guys some more updates on the account, and we will follow this challenge. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got for this video. As of right now, the SPY is going up. We can go ahead and look at this while the time is actually going on. Live trading. This computer got all this shit open. So yeah, SPY. Let's look at SPY. Let me close that out. So SPY was in this little. I drew out this little this channel. You can kind of see it's holding this channel, but we got a macro channel, a bigger channel on a larger time frame. So yeah, SPY is basically trying to come back and retest. It's back above 281. It was another fake out, possible breakout. And that's why I like to sell put spreads. Sell the puts because majority of the time the market goes up. And when it comes down quick, fast, and then it slowly grinds back up. So you can clearly see the market is basically holding what is holding this simple moving average. It's 12 simple moving average. And it's bullish right now. So we are going to stick to the trend is your friend until it's not. And I'm going to cut this video out. Like I said, if you guys are new, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And Lil Petty is out.